to First Class International Trading Signals channel, trading the right way wherever you are. My name is S and I'll be your host today. Today's program is on Forex and we're in week 5. Date is 17th of June and at the times the signals were done at 9 AM UK. I hope you've been enjoying my previous channels. Please subscribe, previous programs for this week, which was the shares, stocks and shares. I hope you have been enjoying the program. This is end of my first month with the program. So before we waste any more time, we'll just get straight in. As always, but the buy is a purchase product, sell is sell a product, arrange buy or sell to predetermined area, hold this product remains open, and the signal strength, gold's very strong, silver is strong, and bronze is good. So before we waste any more time, we'll get straight into the signals. So we've got the product, which is the Great British Pound against the United States dollar, and the direction is a buy and it's gold. And as you can see, the entry and exit points, stop loss is already there for you. In the last program, as you can see, there's more charts that are bought. They are live charts, so the signal dates and the charts that are live charts, obviously they won't correspond, because I can do signals on a set day and then use the charts a few days later to yourself. So say on a Saturday I did the signals, all the trading signals, and then the market's open on Monday. It's obvious the price is going to be different, but we made it a bit more interactive for you. So and you can also see on the charts the green line showing the entry, exit, and the stop loss for you. I hope you get used to these this week. So getting back into the pound dollar, we can see the daily candlestick may reverse from the support area. So I'll just take you onto the real chart as well, and we'll have a look together. So there we go. So as you can see in the bigger chart, the chart I put is just a screenshot. Sometimes it'll be portrait, sometimes it'll be horizontal, but this is on the trading platform. So you can see on the trading platform here where the entry point is. There, that's the entry point here, and this the profit target is at the top of the bar, and there you've got where we're entering. So this week I'll be doing a specialist program. It'll be a multi-part series on candlestick trading, so you will get to learn the ins and outs of candlesticks, chart patterns, fundamentals, sentiment, and support and resistance areas, how to use it. So that's it. We've got an entry here, there's a lot of support, that's where the stop loss is, there's a lot of support area. So the price will, usually retrace back upwards once it hits a support area. So that's why we've got entry around here and then a profit target up there. So I hope that's made it a bit better for you from my previous programs. So we're just going to the next slide before we get into any more. We'll just move on to the next slide. So that's Euro GBP. So that's the euros in euro, the European currency, and the directions buy. Signal strength is bronze, and you've got all the entry points, exit points, stop loss there. So the technical analysis, buy on the dipped weekly candlestick. It's in a heavily supported area. We'll just quickly run onto the charts and get that one up for you as well, so you can have a look. I'll just move that on to make it closer for you so you can see it. It's much of a longer term buy, so we'll just move off that candlestick and we'll go to weekly. So as you can see, we're looking to get in at a very low price. If you get low price down there, there's some support, and we put stop loss below there. We'll be looking to get out there, because that's become a bit of a resistance area that is hopefully there, and there's been a breakout here, so the price may shift below there before it may pull back up to there. So that's that chart pattern for not chart pattern, but that's the analysis there. You will get used to some of this the jargon as we go along. So just move on to the next one. Okay, so we've got Euro US dollar, that's a sell, and the signal's bronze. So I'll just take a daily candlestick may reverse from supported area. So it may reverse from supported area. So we'll just go to the chart and we'll take you through that one. I'll just get the details up for you. So just move closer. Do ignore them triangles there. So we just look at it here. So that's where we are. I'll just ignore that box for the moment. So we've got the entry. I'll just get the entry back up here. So we've got an entry, so we're looking at the weekly chart. So we've got an entry it's quite high up, the entry, and so I'll just change the chart to get the weekly. So there we are. So we've got quite a high. So we're looking to sell it at that price there on the weekly chart. Do ignore there's a couple of rectangles appeared up on the chart. I do not there. So we're looking at that's where the entry point is, and then there's the stop loss up there. So we're looking for the price to go up and then reverse in that area. So that's why we're looking to sell it on the weekly bar. So the price will retrace. So we'll just move on to the next area, next signal. If you just bear with me a second, just get it. Okay, so the next signal is the CNYJPY. So we'll just get that up for you. So on this one, the price can reverse from high highs. It's a good selling opportunity for the midterm. So as you can see, the chart's showing it there. So we're looking for the price to hit a high and then hopefully it'll reverse. We just put stop loss. I put stop loss higher than the high, just to make sure when the price goes there, it should technically reverse back down. So on that's on the daily charts. Over long term, you may reverse back to 2130. So I'll just show it on there for you on the chart, if you just bear with me. There we have it. So it looks much more clearer on the daily chart. So quite we're looking for that. If we're looking for that daily bar here to break out, once it breaks out, it'll to retest there, then it should retrace back down, and we just put a stop loss above there, as you can see, slightly above there to give it a bit of breathing space, and then when the market corrects, it should go back down here. So I hope you enjoyed that trading signal. So we'll just move on to the next one. Okay, so we've got the Australian dollar against the US dollar, and that's on the weekly. So we look to buy on the near daily lows, so the price may reverse. So I'll just spread that up onto the chart, and we'll see Okay, so that's where it is. As you can see, the chart's fairly straightforward for you to have a look at what the price is going to do. So according to the signal, that signal is it's a buy. So we're looking to buy that signal, buy, and as you can see here, that's where we're looking to get out the trade. So we were looking to buy around that area with the stop loss here. If the market retraced, we'd enter and then we'd exit there. So as you can see at the moment, the price has gone, it's going on the upside. Okay, so that's that one, and we'll just move on to the next signal. Okay, so we've got the USD and Canadian dollar, so that's, we're looking to just buy that on support. So it's a bronze signal, and once again, as you can see there, so stop loss is down at support level and entries there at the bottom, and then you've got the resistance. I do apologise. So you've got entry at 135.861. So yeah, that's correct. So the self-explanatory there. I'll just quickly show you that on the big chart as well, so you get confident to the basics of major charting. I mean, last month we've been doing all trading signals on the screenshots. So you know, we're making it more. I'm making it more interactive, and there you can see the entry point, and then the exit. That's the entry point, and then stop loss, and then profit line at the top. So I hope you enjoyed all these signals. So what I'm going to do is, that's this program wound up this week for Forex. So I hope you subscribe and stay tuned for my next program, which will be on international indices. So I'll just get these back up for you, and you can make a note on the screens, and we'll just get that back up for you at the moment so you can make a note, and I'll see you in my next program. I hope you enjoyed it today. Thanks for your time. Bye bye.